This is how I get my complexion to look absolutely flawless and still very natural during a full working day at Estee Lauder. On a normal day at Estee Lauder, I would say that I sell more than 80% skincare. So a lot of people don't realize this, but Estee Lauder is actually a skincare brand, not a makeup brand, even though they do have one of the #1 selling foundations in the world, which is Double Wear. So since I sell a lot of skincare and most people's focus when they come to Estee Lauder is skincare and how they can make their skin better through products, I do want to make sure that my skin looks like I'm not wearing a ton of foundation. Like I have naturally great skin because I do use the products. And I feel like if I'm wearing too much makeup or if I'm wearing an overloaded amount of foundation or complexion products, they kind of don't really take me as seriously. So I really want to make sure that I look youthful, bright, glowing, healthy, that I don't look puffy and tired, and I don't wear too much. In saying that, I still want my makeup to look inspiring. I still want my customers to say, "Oh my God, what are you wearing?" Because I want to look like that. So by underpainting and wearing a minimal amount of double wear, my skin is going to shine through, my underpainting is going to shine through, and it's going to look like I have a natural glow and my skin is flawless. Yay! Enjoy!